You were talking about weight gain, and sometimes people can get scared, like, with so much pressure also of the family members, ye khao, wo khao, the weight gain. What is the range of weight gain which should be acceptable during the second trimester? Just as a guideline, so that they know, okay, this much weight gain is good for them.
Yeah. So actually, the weight gain typically, if you calculate throughout pregnancy, depends a lot on what the pre-pregnancy weight is.
Okay.
Also. Okay, so if the pre-pregnancy weight is high, so if the body mass index is more, like, say around above 28 to 30, 32, then we don't want a lot of weight gain. So then we are also all right with 5 to 6 kgs weight gain
In the total
in the whole pregnancy.
Okay.
Suppose the pre-pregnancy weight is normal, say between BMI is between 23 to 25, like the average weight, then we can expect a weight gain of 10 to 12 kgs during the pregnancy. So say starting from the second trimester, about 1.5 to 2 kgs per month.
Okay.
Is what we are looking at here. Okay, but if your weight is more, you could gain even lesser. As far as the baby is growing well, which we monitor clinically as well as by doing serial sonographies, we are happy with that as long as you have a very healthy weight gain. We don't want, like, the gain of weight in terms of fat gain, which is very, very difficult to shed off also after the pregnancies, delivered.
It can create complications.
Exactly. And in certain cases, in fact, where if there is a lot of too much overweight and you become prone to certain extra complications in pregnancy, we would like strictly control the weight gain as well. I would not propagate a weight loss during pregnancy, but like really monitor, where we are really monitoring the diet very well to the minute detail, where we are monitoring the sugars and things like that. And so it just depends on at what point you start your journey with.
Okay. So by and large, you can say a person who is by and large slim can gain up to 7 to
normal weight would be around 10 to 12 kgs throughout pregnancy.
Okay.
Overweight person 5 to 6 kgs.
Right.
That is
okay. That's a good guideline. Good guideline.
Okay.